Well, it was a wonderful, wonderful time, but I can also say that spiritually there were lots of attacks, and those attacks really signify to say that these men and these women who are ruling us, they are not just ruling us, they really have got a background, a backing of a spiritual backing, which is not God's spirit, and that's what we have been fighting with even during those 40 days. Yes, there have been some visions, but I don't think I'll be able to say those things now.
Do you see yourself winning this spiritual war?
We have won already. It is a done deal, because everything starts in the spiritual. When God created the heavens and the earth, He had to start speaking. So before things were made to be seen. So every time when something happens physically, it first of all starts in the spiritual realm. So the falling has already started. What is only left is the manifestation of it in the physical realm.
Thank you. What events can you reckon were in line with the 40 days? That would say were the results of the 40 days. If you can kindly elaborate from the 1st of July, what has been happening, the activities that you think were in line with the 4.
I think a lot has happened, because from the 40th day, from the first day rather, we realized to say that things happened from Bedbridge, and they are still continually happening. So it means that there is something which is going on. Thank you so very much.
Kana muchida kuvewo kutanga kunzwa nyaya dzakadai mazuva ese, garai makateya pa YouTube nekuklika button rakanzi subscribe, munobva maita wokutanga pa Zim DI TV News kunzwa zviri kuitika.